Welcome. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to delete your browsing history from the last month on Google Chrome using your PC. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your browsing activities private. First, open your Chrome browser. If it's not already running, locate the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar and double-click it to launch. Next, look at the top right corner of the window. You will see three vertical dots. Click on these three dots. This action will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, find and click on History. You may need to click on History again in the sub-menu that appears. This will take you to a new tab displaying all your recent browsing history. Now, on the left side of this new tab, you will see an option labeled Delete Browsing Data. Click on this option. A new window will pop up, allowing you to choose what data you want to clear. In this window, you'll notice various checkboxes for different types of data. Make sure to check the box next to Browsing History. This ensures that only your browsing history will be deleted. Next, focus on the Time Range drop-down menu at the top of this window. Click on it and select Last 4 weeks. This option allows you to delete all browsing history from the past month. Finally, once you've made your selections, click on the Delete Data button at the bottom right of the window. Depending on how much history you have, this may take a moment. Once completed, all your browsing history from the last 4 weeks will be permanently removed, and that's it. You've successfully deleted your last month's browsing history in Google Chrome. Regularly clearing your browsing history can help maintain your privacy and ensure a smoother browsing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.